Hi guys, it's me again. So, still spinning, and it's been a day. Haven't bothered it at all. Looks like it's gonna die. You know what's so weird though? It looks like it's gonna die, but from my point of view, it doesn't even close to it. Stopping it. So nice. Next unboxing. Cosmic Pegasus. And I'm gonna have a battle between all four of them. I'm gonna add this to my big collection. There, it's added. Your Force 40 friend. I don't know what that's for. So I'm just gonna. Oh, I already took out the tape. That's a good thing. This is what I forgot to show y'all. The code. Nothing special. Just a picture and then the back. So I'm gonna put the parts there for the for forbidden illness, just in case I do want to return it, but I don't think so. But I'll just keep it just in case. I'm gonna keep the box right there. So I took out Cosmic Pegasus. So it's just, hey, only thing I hate, I'll show you this. Good thing I have my babies at large. I was having a test between Tessa Temple against all. Okay, look at that. See? That's Galaxy Pegasus. Galaxy Pegasus. They didn't even have time to make the new face mold. Okay, it looks like the real authentic new Pegasus thing because I've seen it. It is. Bad thing is it doesn't come with stickers. It's the only worst thing. It'd be awesome with stickers. Okay, Big Bang or Cosmic now. This is supposed to be dispatched, and there's supposed to be a bottom that holds this. Still cool with the coloring though. Oh. I'm gonna show y'all something though. Look at this. You know what they named the fusion ring? A Drago 3. And look what they did to Energy Ring. Destructor. That's not at all what it's supposed to be. This is supposed to be a Drago. Even though but it's metal and it's supposed to be Destructor. And it's plastic. That's what all stinks. So I'll show you. I got this Pegasus. Oh, look at this also too. Galaxy Pegasus bottom part. Wow, this is the hard. This might be the hardest one. I took the other ones with broken. Wow. Oh. This is difficult packaging. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, so let's put this thing together. But I think my brother's not here. He's gone. When I started this video, he left. Oh, there's my Galaxy Pegasus. I mean, my Big Bang Pegasus or Cosmic Pegasus, you know. Funny? You know what's funny? Same tool. I'll show you. Forbidden Eons, Cosmic Pegasus. Same color tool. I don't think we should like add tools, because you know what would be cool? If they added string launchers, like left and string, instead of these ripcords. Look at this. This is the opposite of Forbidden Realness. It's red and black. The opposite. The string was red on Forbidden Realness and the launcher was black. Also gone with that. Look at this. It's so fake. It's not the real deal. But it is. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna think? They're gonna like switch it. And like, it's gonna be like, I'm gonna watch this guy too. Look at that. Actually better than my Galaxy Pegasus. Watch it stand. Watch it stop and stand. Still better than my Galaxy Pegasus. Cosmic Pegasus. Pretty nice, but no stickers. That's all. The only default, I wish they added string launchers. And I wish it was the same as it came when they told me. And also, I wish it kept the string launcher. Oh, and some stickers. Yeah, stickers. So I'm gonna add it to the big collection. There. They're part of the big collection. Better know it. Cosmic Price. Thanks for watching. Bye. See y'all later.